Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal different ways. We will start with the easy stovetop method, which is a classic for a reason. For a perfectly creamy bowl, remember the simple 1:2 ratio, 1 part oats to 2 parts liquid. Bring your liquid to a boil, then stir in the oats. Reduce the heat and simmer for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the liquid is fully absorbed and the oatmeal is thick and delicious. This method is simple and satisfying. Next up, let's talk about the ultimate convenience, overnight oats. This method requires almost no morning effort, making your breakfast prep a breeze. Simply combine equal parts rolled oats and your preferred liquid, like milk or water, in a jar or container. Give it a good stir, then cover and refrigerate for at least 8 hours or overnight. The oats will soften and absorb the liquid, creating a ready-to-eat, nutritious meal by morning. It's perfect for busy schedules. For those really rushed mornings, the microwave method is your best friend. You can have a warm, comforting bowl of oatmeal in just a couple of minutes. Start by combining 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1 cup of liquid in a large, microwave-safe bowl. This larger bowl is key to prevent any messy overflows. Microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring halfway through. Be careful, as it will be hot. Let it stand for a moment, then enjoy your quick meal. Finally, let's explore how to elevate your oatmeal with endless flavor variations. The beauty of oatmeal is its versatility. You can customize it with a wide array of toppings, from fresh berries and sliced bananas to crunchy nuts and seeds. A dash of cinnamon or a drizzle of maple syrup can transform the taste. Don't forget to experiment with different liquids too, like almond milk, apple juice, or even coconut milk, for unique and delicious results every time. Get creative and make it your own.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.